Shall I start? Madam told during her part of the delivery, she told something about the Intel, right? So do you know what is a computer think when you or we or me sitting outside? What is a computer think? Yes, Intel inside and mental outside. Okay, I just want to add a question to this particular part. Do you know what is a refrigerator thing when you stand outside? You want me to repeat? Do you know what is a refrigerator, fridge? Think when you are standing outside. Okay, let me tell you. Cool inside, full outside. Sorry for telling this. I am not saying you mentals are fools. We are capable of anything and everything. We can do everything. I hope you will forgive me for quoting you as fools or mentals. Now, much have been talked about this motivation skills, success, personality development and communication skills, microprocessor, operation research, and what else you want me to do? So we will wind up today so that we will be having our lunch session as soon as possible. You want me to speak? Okay, then it is your fate and I cannot do anything for that. Okay. Today, from the last night evening, I thought what to speak and what to deliver. I have been in confusion, great mind of great, what is it? How can I say? Yeah, confused and a dilemma. Only at the morning I decided, okay, these are the few topics that I can deliver. And after madam speaking, I thought I can add this topic. After sir delivered his topic, I can add this topic and keep on adding, and it will go. No, I'm not going to summarize what you are all speaking. I have a few topics. Few topics to discuss with. I hope that it will be interesting. First, let me start with an exercise, and some of you may not be liking it. Already some of you discussed, some of my colleagues discussed with me, this is a thing which is against the law. We have been taught in our Rajalakshmi Engineering College actually this exercise, not in the same way which I am going to do, in some other way, but it was not like by this or. But anyhow, that I think that it is to expose yourself to you. Okay, yeah. Let me have a small exercise. Okay, but with a condition, you should all participate. Everybody, like even our cameraman and our friend Vijay Kumar sir, everybody should participate. I am going to give you 100 rupees, but I want to see everybody, not everybody, for a single person. I am going to give you 100 rupees, but I just want to see how many of you want to get this rupee. Competition open for all, even Vijay Kumar sir, everybody, but I want to see how many of you want to get it. Huh? That things and all I cannot tell you right now. It is a competition, but this amount will be given to any one of us here. Sir.
Cost anything for us?
Nothing. Just participate. Okay, only a few. Okay. I am just making some marks in the rupee note. Now I just want to see how many of you want to take this rupee. Pardon? Yes. Now how many of you want to get this rupee? Still. Okay. Let me do this to this note. Now how many of you want to get this rupee? Sir, shall I spill some water at the floor? Shall I spill some water at the floor? Okay. See what I am going to do with this rupee note. I am just, as you assume that I am just going to spill this note by using this water. Now how many of you want to get? Yeah. So what I am trying to say is, though I am trying to spoil this note, the value of the rupee is the same. 100 rupees, 100 bucks is the same, whatever may be the condition. We have, that particular note have crossed certain stages, right? But the value of that particular note is the same. So from this exercise, what I'm trying to say is, some of you might be experienced these words on the roadside. Ena Neela, akka thangachiyoda parakaleya. Some girls might be using this. You have your own talents. Your boss might be saying, you are fit for nothing. And even parents might have said, உன்னை பெற்றதுக்கு பக்கத்து வீட்டு பையனை பாடுறா எப்படி படிக்கிறான், உன்னை பெற்றதுக்கு ஒரு உலக்கையை பெற்றிருக்கலாம், இல்லை உன்னை பெற்றதுக்கு ஒரு கிலோ அரிசி பெற்றிருக்கலாம். So you have your own talents, and everybody, like myself, may be specialized in something, and himself or he may be a specialist in some area. So what I'm trying to say is, you please identify your strengths first to strengthen your strengths. Yeah, identify your potential and try to build on it. It is a message I want to give you through the first exercise. And second, I just want to it will be, it is not an at the end, no, at the end of my session, I am going to give this 100 rupees to someone of us, don't worry. And and the second one is the people who influence my life. That is, you people should agree with me that everybody needs somebody to ignite some spark in you. There are very few people who made a very big impact in my life. Not many, only 3. First and the foremost, in the year 2004, I was dealing this engineering graphics for the first year. It is the subject of my favorite. I can say that I love that subject. So during the midst of this semester, I asked a question to one of my students. So you all know that a particular class will be handled by 6 other faculty. So I asked a question to one of my students, who is your favorite teacher in the particular class? I thought that he will be saying me. To be very frank, I thought that he will be saying me, because I thought at that particular moment I delivered the best. But he said, Sir Balaji sir from the Maths department is the best teacher, I like him most. I asked him why. Because he said the reason, because he is the one person who is not simply coming here and will be teaching something and will be leaving. He is the one who he really interested in us, and will be telling something apart from the subject every day. That is, it may be a value matter, current affairs, jokes, case studies, or whatever so called. So that is the one moment, there was the one moment which really made me to think, and at that particular moment I really thought that, okay, even I should change myself spontaneously. So Balaji sir, in the sense, I hope that I am talking about him only. Why cannot you join with me and give me appreciation? Like Sun TV is what every day it is, what is that? Showing some Tirupam, right? Tirupam in the sense, some moments which is happening at some personality's life, what makes him to change. So that was the one moment which really made me to change, and I was a very ordinary teacher at the year 2004. Now I am not saying that I am an extraordinary teacher, but at least I am trying to change. At least I am trying to change the ordinary to extraordinary. At that moment itself, even I copied him. I am not I'm not feeling hesitant to say that I copied him. Yes, I copied him. Yeah. Second one, in the year 2005, I was very fortunate enough to attend a conference delivered by Professor Satik, who was a former Dean of Crescent Engineering College. It was a conference about this engineering mechanics. So during his delivery, he used all the teaching aids to explain a simple concept. He was using some teaching aids, which made me to think, if Sadik sir is using this particular teaching aids to teach in a better way, even I myself can do it. So, which really made me to think, and I thought from that, after that, I started using some teaching aids, like it may be a ball, it may be a balloon, it may be a syringe. Why syringe? I handled this thermodynamics for the triple E students. Triple E students in their part of curriculum, they have 4-stroke SI engines or 4-stroke C engines. In that, that piston will be moving inside this cylinder and all those concepts we have to explain. We all know that after finishing this BE and ME, after going through much of industrial visits and all those things, we all know what is a cylinder, what is a piston. But yes, student at that particular age may not be able to understand how a cylinder and piston will be moving. So it is a syringe. You can make him to make it to move inside, up and down, so that it is, I'm just trying to simplify the process, nothing else. Why balloon? Balloon, I can, in the thermodynamics, very starting topic itself, it is you have to differentiate between system, you have to tell something about the system, surroundings, boundary. System is the one, to be very specific with the definitions given in the book. System is nothing but it is a one in which our attention has to be focused. It means he is saying that he is concentrating on his research as a dream. That means a system, a research should be a system to him. And boundary, suppose his room is a system, you can assume that boundary, you can come to know what is boundary. Surroundings, maybe a library, maybe a main building, maybe someone who is outside, who is going outside in a car and a van can be called as a boundary. So all these things you can explain using what I am trying to say is that using that particular balloon, or you can say what is a system. The air inside the balloon is a system which separates from the surroundings. That boundary separates system as well as the surrounding. All those things you can simplify the process. And one advantage you can have while using this teaching aids is you can really fix, or you can really bring attention or concentrations of the students towards you. These fellows will be thinking, yesterday he brought balloon, today what he will be bringing. Expectation is there. And as I told you earlier, Balaji sir, I followed Balaji sir method. Always I will be going with some other extra things. Maybe a short story.
You have brought anything for us?
No, I am sorry. Yes, 100 rupees is there. Okay. So, and one more person who made a very big influence in my life is our principal, Dr. K. Sarugasi. He is a role model to me. Why I am taking him as a role model is, he is such a person who can motivate anybody. Continuously encouraging. Yesterday somebody told that the finding faults with others is the easiest one. But he is the one who will be finding only the positive points of anybody, and whenever our staff meeting is going to be held, he will be taking at least a minimum of 5 to 10 names. Even we may not be knowing that person. He will be telling one person and he used to praise him. This is the way he is doing, yes, good. Some sort of motivation, and he is really encouraging. And he is my role model, guru, or whatever so called. These are the people, Dr. K. Sarugasi, our principal. These are the people who made a big impact in my life. And the next one, a case study. A case study in the sense, problem solving. What is the problem solving? Now everybody, every moment is facing problems. Myself, sir, madam, Vijay Kumar sir, problem maybe how to finish all these sessions and how to make them out. Problem in the sense, problems can be happen to anybody. It may be a simple problem or a complex problem. But how we are going to solve the problem? Which matters most? A simple problem or a complex problem will be having a simple solution as well as the complex solutions too. Thing is, how we are going to choose. So to explain this problem solving, let me take a case study which was happened actually in Japan. But for our simplicity, I don't think you will be minding if I shifted this if I am going to shift this case study to India. You all know, daily we are using these bar soaps, maybe a Lux, maybe a Palmolive. For an example, let us take Palmolive as our case study. Palmolive soap company, manufacturing company used to manufacture soaps. So one fine day, what was the problem occurred in that particular brand? One of the soap boxes came outside of the factory and which is meant for selling was found to be empty. It was found by one of the customer, and what happened, this fellow filed a case against the company and he won a very big